Now to the very latest on the coronavirus here in our state. The biggest headline today, our current 2.4% positivity rate, which is the highest we've seen since June. In the last 24 hours, more than 13,000 new tests were performed. 320 came back positive. And right now there are 172 patients in the hospital. That's up 17 from yesterday. And as you can see from the latest number, these metrics are not going in the right direction. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Sharon Johnson has more details on these numbers. She is live at the digital desk tonight with the very latest. Sharon.
Well, Aaron, we're looking at a 2.4% positivity rate, which is inching closer to benchmarks that state officials have set to keep our own residents safe. Now, one of those benchmarks is the travel advisory for states with rates higher than 10 cases per 100,000 residents. Governor Lamont says he thinks the advisory has been very effective, but he would have to rethink it if we approach our own benchmark. He also says if we get to a more than 5% positivity rate, they would start considering making major changes, such as rolling back phases. But for now, state officials are asking people to follow health guidelines.
Obviously, we have a stockpile of our PPE that we're ready to go. So we are ready for what's happening. But nothing can make us more ready than have each and every one of you take this, continue to take this seriously a little bit longer.
And Governor Lamont says the state is still far from where we were at during the peak of the pandemic. Right now, 2% of hospital beds statewide are being used for COVID-19 patients. And at the peak of the pandemic, more than 20% of beds were occupied by COVID patients. Live at the digital desk, Sharon Johnson, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.